Great day everyone. No? Today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite to feature this resort. Napakaganda. It's so much articulate and napakadaming character. This is a happy property dito sa Amadeo, Cavite. Plus, you have a very gorgeous environment. Alright? Watch this. So before we start, thank you so much to our listing agents and brokers for bringing us here dito sa Amadeo, Cavite. This estate with a total land area of 15,847 square meters. You have 30 rooms. This property has helipad. This property has ZipLine. You have the chapel. You have the pavilion area. You have a nice space wherein meron kayong greenhouse. You have the vegetable area. You have the fruit-bearing trees. So by the way, this estate is for sale with a price of 130 million pesos. So if you are interested to buy this estate, you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. But before the buying process, we will check out this estate. Alright, so follow me. See, you have this nice driveway, and to my left side you have this pavilion area, and over there you have your chapel area, and tingnan nyo naman yung langit. You have this zip line, and look at the facade of this estate. So you have 4th level property. Doon sa pinakataas, you have the helipad. So very exciting kasi napakaganda talaga namang bahay nito. You have grabing character. Okay, so the location of this estate from here to Manila, it's around 1 hour driving away, and from this site to Cavite City, it's around 15 minutes drive. So napakaganda ng potential ng property na ito as a sustainable property, meaning pwede sila tumanggap ng guests. Of course, you have the swimming pool. Okay, so follow me guys. So over here you have this. Ang ganda ng mga wall, See? Napaka-tiyaga ng nagpipintura, So, every corner talaga namang mayroon siyang character. Kaya panalong-panalo ito as your house, or your retirement home, or your vacation house, or your business resort. Okay? So, from here, you will be greeted by this oversized main door of wooden elements. Might be this one is a solid Nara. See, napakalaki. You have this design right here. Talaga naman parang mga Chinese design, Come on in. Wow. See? Grabe. So what can you say about this estate? Anyway, so if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and click on the bells to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. You can message us on our Facebook and Instagram by simply clicking the link below on the description box. Or you can email us on the email address on the description box. Right, so from here, you will be surprised by this super wide living space. Okay? Wow! Napakaganda, so wala akong masabi because from this wall to the other wall and then hanggang sa kisame nila, so talaga namang very unique yung feature nitong property na ito. Okay, so over here you will be surprised by your tiles. So this is a 80 by 80, it's a ceramic tiles finish. Okay, so napakadaming mga living spaces, and by the way, this estate is fully furnished. Everything or anything you see are included. And over here again, still you have your living space or your lounge area. And dito sa side na to, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 eaters dining table. Then you have this wall murals over there. Plus, this property is equipped with a lot of CCTV. But the most interesting portion of this property, yung kanilang mga the columns, talaga namang ang lalaki at ang tataba. And closer Benji, no? Napaka-tiyaga nung gumawa nito because tingnan mo naman, no, every color. So, lahat ng groove. So, every groove with different color. And just imagine kung ilang color combination itong houses, itong property na ito. So, talaga namang napaka-tiyaga, no? Ang kanilang gawa. And again, so konting refurbish, konting renovation, and konting improvements dito sa state na ito. And over here, you have your pantry space, no? Check this out. Step up, and this is it, no? Check this out. You have here the kitchen area, you have the built-in cabinetry. And on this side, you have your bathroom. Medyo dilim na siya, but you have here the bathroom space. Napakadami ng, because this property is oversized, no? Napakalaki. Kaya you have a lot of spaces and you have a lot of rooms. And try to look at your staircase. Super wide again. Okay, so we will check out the second level. Anyway, talaga namang napakatiyaga ng pintor kasi so every stages meron silang mga paints o different colors. And this is your landing. And every wall, no, with a different design, no. From here, talagang pa-curve. So, ang gandami nilang molding na ginamit. And we'll check out this level. Second floor. Wow. So again, no, from here, you will be greeted to your dining area. See? Again, so on this level, you still have the space that can accommodate big dining table. And right here, you have your L-shaped counter space with built-in cabinetry. Of course, by the way, no, this property is fully furnished. Okay, so over here, we're on the second level of this estate. So from here, still you have this gorgeous space. Pwede nyo gawing conference area or your meeting area or mall ballroom space. This space right here can accommodate, maybe I think it's mga 30 persons, but you still have balcony spaces. Wow, see? Napakaganda ng bahay, no? From the ceiling design down to the walls and up to the floor finish. Talaga namang napaka-artistic ng property owner na ito. And of course, napaka-reasonable ng kanilang price because it's 130 million negotiable. So you have a lot of spaces na pwede pa kayong magtanim, or you have a lot of spaces na pwede pa kayong mag-cultivate, and you have a lot of spaces as pwede pang gawing greenhouse. Right? So we will check out the third level. By the way, on this level, you have your bathroom. Okay, so you have your bathroom, and here's a bathroom. Okay, so we'll check out the second level, at the third level, by the way. Okay, over here, and we'll check out the third level. So the same character, napakalaki ng kanilang steps, and wow. This wall right here talaga namang napakaganda. Just imagine, no? This accent wall right here, meron siyang mga LED lights. On this level, you have your master bedroom. But right now, this master bedroom is closed. So because of their privacy, but we'll check out the other rooms kasi this property has 30 bedrooms. Okay, so to my right side, you have your access to your fourth level and your helipad area. But before that side, so we'll check out this room right here. Wow. See, you have this double size bed and you have this oversized balcony over here with a fixed glass dito. So ang access nito is nandun sa kabilang side. You have this cabinet already, and to my right side again, still you have this double size bed and a bathroom. So tingnan niyo yung wall, no, iba-iba yung molding na ginamit. So napakadaming molding ang ginamit dito. So from here, it's square molding, and dito sa wall, dito sa pinaka main hallway, you have your flower, no, design of a molding. And on the side, still you have the bedroom. Then you have the double size bed over here and a bathroom. See, you have this shower area. Okay, so on this side, this is more spacious and more wider room, no? Right now you have your California king size bed right here and a space over here, which is your foyer, and a access to your balcony. So yung bedroom nila nasa 3rd level nakalocate, and from here you will be greeted by this lovely place, no? Anyway, so this estate is facing the morning sun, kaya napakaganda ng orientation and the dimension itong property na ito. Okay, we'll check out the other feature. Oh, so right here you have your stairway leading to the roof deck and your helipad area. But dito sa side nito, you have the bedroom over here, but right now still closed. But it has a bathroom. And dito po sa side na to, you have a space dito na wherein pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong additional furnitures. But this property is talaga namang overload sa dami ng gamit. Okay, so we'll check out the helipad area. Wow! Dito naman, so ginamit nila mga molde. Star yung design. See? So napaka-tiyaga talaga nilang magpintura, no? Just imagine you have different colors, no? From red to white, to purple, to yellow, to blue, to red, to beige. Talaga napakataba ng kanilang utak. Okay? Okay? So this is the 4th level of the house. You have here additional living space and a dining area and a bathroom over here and a balcony. So right here you have your bedroom again. You have your single bed. So dito naman you have your bathroom. So itong property nito, no, tumatanggap sila ng guests. So konting renovation. So since the price is 130 million pesos, no, this is negotiable. So if you are interested to buy a sustainable property dito sa Tagaytay City, most likely dito sa property na ito, so the price is negotiable. So you can talk to the seller directly. So again, this property has 4 titles consolidated that came out to 15,847 number of square meters or 1.5 hectares. Anyway, so shout out sa ating mga buyers, yung ating mga homeowners sa Anyana and Antel na nag-purchase ng lot only in house and lot package, and plus doon sa ating mga buyers na bumili ng farm lot, mansion houses, big houses dito sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you very much for always tuning in our channel. So if you have property for sale, no, do not hesitate also to reach us to broadcast your property for free. Right now, this is the roof deck of the property, and you have here the gorgeous view of the Manila Bay. Follow me, Benji. So right here, you have your view of the Manila Bay and the view of the Laguna Lake. And of course, dito sa gitna ko, you have the view of the Manila area. So makikita mo yung mga building sa Makati, building sa Taguig, building sa Mandaluyong. Plus, this space has a 360 view of the city of Tagaytay. And over here, you have the access to your helipad. Okay, follow me. Talaga namang gorgeous, talaga namang beautiful itong property for sale nito. Okay, so over here, just imagine that you have the room right here na this station, but you have the balcony access here with the view of the picnic group Tagaytay Highlands. Nakikita mo na rin yung SMDC dito sa gitna na to. So just imagine, no, napakalapit lang natin dito sa city of Tagaytay. And of course, dito sa itaas, you have the access here to your helipad. So they are using ladder, no, para makapasok dito sa taas. In terms of the water tanks, you have a lot of water tanks. And so this space right here, the sky tower feature. So it's a circular, and over here you have your bathroom. So napakaganda nito as your entertainment area and your hangout area. Okay, so aside from this building, so we will go downstairs to check out your chapel and you check out your vegetable area and check out your garden space. No, let's go. We will check out your chapel area. Anyway, so before the chapel area, to my left side, you still have the under construction building. Still, it has a 4th level, and over here you have this staff room, and of course you have the swimming pool doon sa pinaka front nitong property. So makikita nyo sa drone shots, no, at least you have the idea already. So yung mga dimensions and the perimeter of this property plus the property survey, no. We will check out the pavilion area and the chapel area. So right here you have this pavilion area as your entertainment space again. So napakadaming mai-offer itong property na ito sa lahat ng ating mga investors and sa ating mga home buyers. Alright, so to my right side, this is the most valuable place, no, sa isang property ang magkaroon ka ng isang prayer room or your chapel area. So lalo kang pagpapalain ni Lord, lalo na you allotted a space para kay Lord, no? Keep that in mind. Here, wow, the most spacious and most interesting feature of this property is your chapel area. Okay? So yung pinakakisamin nila is i-concrete, no? Wala silang long span or tigula or a roofing design, but their roofings is i-concrete. So that's why yung ating sound nag-e-echo. Plus, you will be surprised by too much ventilation. Okay? And you have this centerpiece over here. So check this out. Wow, talagang nag-e-echo. So over here you have your space. Kasi pwede pong gawin ito as a wedding venue or events place. So the good thing over this property is this is a functional, stable, and improved. So ang kulang na lang dito is alteration, addition, and cleaning. So makikita nyo, you have a lot of spaces. Once you develop the space land, lagyan nyo ng mga frog grasses or Bermuda grasses. So talaga namang yung property nito, it speaks a lot. And on the side, you have your room as your kitchen area. So you have your toilets and a wash area over here. Okay, so nice design of this property. So we're done, no? So we will go over there to give you the recap of this state for sale. Now let's go there. you have your view of the Manila Bay and the view of the Laguna Lake. And over here, you have the access to your helipad. So aside from the chapel area, so you have the zip line over here. So we'll check this out. So napakaganda ng space, no? This property can accommodate many cars, no? Still you have the basketball area and you have this garden over here. Talagang ganito kalaki yung property mo. So it's a mansion. Anyway, so this is a private property. So you have here the ladder leading to the zipline area. So a special feature of the property. Alright, so we're done, no? Thank you so much to our listing agents and brokers for bringing us here dito sa Amadeo, Cavite to feature this estate for sale. Now, to give you the recap, so this property with a total land area of 15,847 square meters, you have 30 massive bedrooms, you have this estate talagang malaking building, of course you have a swimming pool, you have the basketball court, you have the chapel, you have this pavilion space. And this property has for title consolidated into one that came out to 15,847 square meters. So the good thing over this property is it's a titled property and the seller is willing to negotiate the price. So if you are interested to check out and buy this estate, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. Again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat. Gracias, amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody. So right here, you have your view of the Manila Bay and the view of the Laguna Lake. And over here, you have the access to your helipad. So this property with a total land area of 15,847 square meters